Sermon number 129. Measures and weights. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. O creatures of Allah! You and whatever you desire from this world are like guests with fixed period of stay, and like debtors called upon to pay. Life is getting short while the records of actions are being preserved. Many strivers are wasting their efforts, and many of those who exert are heading towards harm. You are in a period when steps of virtue are moving backwards, steps of evil are moving forward, and Shaitan is increasing his eagerness to ruin people. This is the time that his equipment is strong, his traps have been spread, and his prey has become easy to catch. Cast your glance over people wherever you like, you will see either a poor man suffering from poverty, or a rich man ignoring Allah despite his bounty over him, or a miser increasing his wealth by trampling on Allah's obligations, or an unruly person closing his ears to all counsel. Where are your good people? Where are your virtuous people? Where are your high-spirited men and generous men? Where are those of you who avoid deceit in their business and remain pure in their behavior? Have they not all departed from this ignoble, transitory and troublesome world? Have you not been left among people who are just like rubbish and so low that lips avoid mention of them and do not move even to condemn their low position? Verily we are Allah's, and verily unto him shall we return. Mischief has appeared, and there is no one to oppose and change it, nor anyone to dissuade from it or desist from it. Do you, with these qualities, hope to secure abode in the purified neighborhood of Allah and to be regarded his staunch lovers? Alas! Allah cannot be deceived about his paradise, and his will cannot be secured save by his obedience. Allah may curse those who advise good but they themselves avoid it, and those who desist others from evil but they themselves act upon it.